Top 5 Future Fighter Jets 2025, Part 2. 5. HAL AMCA, India. India's 5th-gen stealth beast. The AMCA brings a fully stealthy airframe, internal weapons bay, and powerful sensors. It's designed for deep strike missions and will upgrade India's air dominance in the coming decade. 4. FA-50 Block 20, South Korea. Small jet, big upgrade. The upgraded FA-50 includes AESA radar, long-range precision missiles, and improved range. It is becoming one of the fastest-growing fighter exports in Asia. 3. Su-75, checkmate, Russia. Russia's budget stealth challenger. With a sleek stealth design, high maneuverability, and lower operating costs, the Su-75 aims to compete as a cheaper alternative to other 5th-gen fighters. 2. JF-17 Block 4, Pakistan, China. The new generation Thunder. The upcoming JF-17 Block 4 is expected to bring stronger engines, improved stealth shaping, and a next-gen AESA radar. A major upgrade over previous models, it could become the most advanced lightweight fighter in its class. 1. Tempest GCAPUK, Japan, Italy. The 6th-generation monster, Tempest, will feature AI-assisted controls, drone swarm teamwork, next-level stealth, and hypersonic weapons. A true future powerhouse that could redefine air combat. Which jet should be in the next video? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.